How are you? This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading, back in the market live from our Discord channels. Good morning to our community. Good morning to all the traders that see these videos. Today we're going to cover the gold contract. As we can see, and pre-marked it, we already see in the day interval, starting as usual from the bird's eye view, we see the trend is an uptrend. So we already gonna know to look for the long position. We already see that the price has started to make a small correction right here, but we still don't see that basically we have a drop all the way down, basically breaking new lows in order for us to go to a short position within the day interval. So as long as we did not change this mindset, we're going to look for the a long position within the day. We can possibly mark over here a small demand pool, and we're going to try to maybe take a position from here up as a long position. This is what just marking the day interval. Well, I'm going to go down for the 4 hours interval within the day. So we see already within the day, if I can mark over here another pool, we have a small or minor demand pool that we already see how the price reacts to it. We already see that basically it lands on this small pool. And there is a struggle candle right here. We can see the struggle right here as represented in this doji candle right here. And we still do not receive confirmation candle basically right here. We want to see this candle goes up and breaks the head of this candle in order for us to get to a long position. So as of now, we don't have a position again we can take within the 4 hours interval for long position. What we want to see in the alternative way is basically maybe take a short position towards the next demand area, which is the major demand, and maybe from here try to take a long position from here upwards. Of course, we have to test this area as well, make sure that the price lands in this pool. We're going to look for the doji candle or the hammer candle towards up, and we're going to look for a confirmation candle as well in order for us to get to a long position. So as of now, we don't have a position. So a possible position, if you are in outside of your computer and you're not going to trade today, and you want to of course put a position that it might be likable for you to trade. So there's a possible position over here as a limit to order. I can put one contract over here, or 2 or 3. Again, it always depends on your risk management. And we can see that we in this position can risk as low as $2,740 to make $22,000. Of course, as a disclaimer, this is just our trading ideas. This is not substitutional for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor. So this is one possible position that we can see through the day. Of course, you can trade the micro contract as well if those amount is too high for you. Everybody with his own risk management and calculation. So we already see that the possible position been created over here, risking just as low as less than $3,000 in order to make $22,000 and $22,410. So we're gonna go even drill down even more to look for another possible position. As we can see over here, we already marked. We can already mark a few pools over here. We already see the flux chart already marked for us few possible supply areas, pools, and we already see right here that even here in this position right here, you can see how the price behaves. It basically creates the drop into the demand and making re-entry to the supply, and a second check right here, and keep on dropping. We want to see it drop over here all the way to this possible candle to test how it reacts when it reaches this candle. If it's going to flip and reverse towards up, we're going to take a long position with a 50-minute interval towards the next supply, even maybe higher and higher and higher. And again, with all those areas, we're going to retest again and again and again. Once the price reaches those areas, where do we want to take this long position towards? So I'm going to just quickly cancel this arrow, so it's going to be easy to see. So as of now, we can see a possible position over here. We're also going to know about it by the night profile. We can see the night profile right here. We can see that basically the the price now reached the low value area, which is can definitely flip and reverse towards up, at least until the high value area. But of course, we have to keep in mind before everything, before any other indicator, and I'm gonna cancel it for a split of a second, that supply and demand is the core of this business. Basically, it's overcome any indicator you're gonna find in the market. So we wanna actually take the long position because we already in demand, but we already see over here a possible, this is a minor demand that we are marked in the 4 hours interval. We see already come to effect, but we also can mark it over here. The 15 minutes interval, we can already see how the price behave. It's about to land on this pool, which is the 15 minutes interval demand pool, and we can check again how it behaves when you reach over here. So a possible position would be over here. We can trade this contract right here, take it to the next point, $2,000, and risking 15, it's almost $3,000 is 1 to 2. Basically, it's the minimum ratio that you want to do. In day trading, for every dollar you put in risk, you're gonna get $2 in gain. So it's very healthy as well. It's a possible position. Of course, we already in the market, so we don't want to rush to this position. And this we're gonna see candles that gonna support the decision making. Of course, we have to take care of the volume as well to see that we have a supportive volume in order for us to get to a long position. So this is one entry right here, and a possible position over here will be to take another long position from this point right here and try to take it to the next supply area, which was going to be created when the graph is going to land to this area. So again, it's all depends on your risk management. Of course, you have to keep in mind that you can also trade it in a micro contract, risking lower amounts, and of course, and compatible as well, again in a lower amount. And again, it's all depends on your risk taking and management. So that'll be a first two positions that we cover today. Of course, this is again, I'm just reminding this, the trending ideas, and everybody's going to behave according to his risk factor and management. I want to encourage you guys as well. Today, I'm giving another 20 hours of teaching. The first 20 that going to DM me, Ben, teach me, will get a free session, 1 hour session with me, charge free, of course, to get inspired and get some knowledge out of our methodologies. So the first 20 they gotta DM us, and they want to take this opportunity to get knowledge. The first 20 they're gonna text, DM, drop a comment, Ben, teach me. We'll get 1 hour free session with me. Again, it's only 20 seats. It means 20 total hours each day that I'm giving for free during this week, all the way till upcoming Friday. So we already had Monday, Tuesday groups, 40 new traders that just DM me, got the free 1 hour session with me, and this is my gift to this community. So I want to wish you as always successful trading, and of course for our Discord community, we're going to cover those positions at the end of the day and during the day to see how we succeed, monitor the deals that we're doing, and of course effectively listed on our trading journal. And I'll see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.